What's going on, everybody? Ash here from CloserX, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a really simple workflow that does up to 8 follow-ups with your leads and basically squeezes the shit out of your lead lists. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. Okay, now here we are in the campaign tab of our software CloserX. So basically in this video I'm going to show you how to simply set up a campaign, connect your agent to it, and basically use the API call through that campaign, so you can basically launch your lead list from Go High Level itself without actually using the contact list on the software CloserX itself. So in this way, you should be able to set up different methods of calling, such as 8 follow-ups or even 7 days, for example, nurturing lead lists or anything like that. It's just dependent on your creativity. But if you get our software, if you get the free trial version of our software on CloserX.ai, you should be able to also basically get these snapshots, which are completely free after you get our get yourself a CloserX account, and then you can start customizing it, or even just start calling up to 8 times for any lead that you have on your lead list, and basically do whatever kind of follow-up or callback or any kind of automated task just to put your whole lead list on autopilot. So you just basically upload your lead list, you connect it to the workflows, and then boom, as soon as you launch your campaign, it's going to work on autopilot to do all the follow-ups, and you just wait for the lead list to be finished and ready to be uploading the next one. So without any wasting time, let's just show you how to start a campaign. So basically you come here when you open up your Go High Level account after you have connected CloserX to your Go High Level account. Also keep in mind that if you don't already have a Go High Level account, you can also get yourself a free Go High Level account after you get yourself a CloserX account. So keep that in mind. So basically you come here on your Go High Level, you come here and click on CloserX test, and then you should be facing your dashboard, obviously, and then you have to click on campaigns right here. So you go ahead and create a new campaign. So that's basically as simple as that. Okay, so now in case you want to call your leads through Go High Level, you don't have to select this one. You actually have to select the quick campaign / CRM and API campaign, which is the way to do it through Go High Level or the workflows or automation. So you just basically name the campaign, just test, delete later, just for the purpose of the video, right? And then what's going to be next? The next thing is to select your agent, which I've obviously told you how to create an agent on CloserX previously, so no need to explain that. You just select one of your agents, just this one for example, and you select the phone number that you have on Twilio. So you just select one of them randomly, doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to select the first one for now. By the way, don't try to call these numbers. These are nonsense. So don't get yourself in trouble by calling these. Yeah, and just that's it. It's automatically selected as an outbound call. You just click on start now, and then boom, the campaign is launched. And you can also pause it whenever time you want, or even complete the whole thing. So the whole campaign is basically terminated totally. Also, additionally, you can see the performance of the campaign if you click on it, and the analytics of the calls happening here on the campaign. So yeah, that's about it on how to create a campaign. And now the next thing is to head over to the automation tab on Go High Level itself. So what you have to do here is basically look for 2 different folders. So if you ask for it, you're most likely, if you create your free Go High Level account on our sub accounts, basically if you don't have one, and if you create with our link, you're going to be provided with both of these snapshots of follow-up calls and automated lead nurturing campaigns. And if not, you can ask for it through the basically support, and then you're going to be provided as soon as possible. So let's assume that you're already seeing these 2 folders of workflows. So I'm going to start with the simpler version, and for the next version I'm going to get you guys on another video and show you the more complex one. Just a quick teaser of how this looks. You can see there are so many different workflows in here. So it's basically automating everything for you, booking an appointment, reminding after appointments, doing callbacks, actually calling the no-showers on the appointment, reactivation campaigns, updating your pipeline, and everything is basically automated in this one. But the first one that I'm going to show you here only in this video is going to be the simple SMS, email, and AI calling snapshot for our software. So basically we have an appointment confirmation plus a reminder, which I'm just going to show you right now. And we have a 3-day and also a 7-day lead nurturing SMS, email, and AI calling snapshot or workflow or whatever you call it. So let's just open this one. These two are actually the same. So it's just this one is an extended version of the previous one. So I'm just going to head over and click on this one and let's see how it looks like. Okay, as you can see, there is no trigger existing here. So you can simply head over and get yourself a trigger action. It could be any of these triggers out here on Go High Level. So you can just be as simple as getting a tag added to your client, which you can do as so. You just create a new tag. So I'm just going to create a new tag actually, or even we have plenty of tags here already. So you know what, I'm just going to click on this one, new lead voice AI, which is an already existing tag. So what does this mean? Whenever this tag is added to a client, it's going to trigger this workflow for that particular client. So you can just head over and click save trigger. So now it's going to be saved. Also, don't forget to click on this auto save on the top right corner. And after that, you have to publish the workflow. Okay, so what is going to happen on this workflow? I'm just going to explain it to you. The first thing is an SMS, basically, which there is also a ready to use basically text for the SMS, which you also have to change it, obviously. So it's gonna say, hi, contact first name, which is a variable. As you can see, this is Elvis from XYZ. I wanted to reach out about an exciting opportunity for your land. We specialize in purchasing vacant land and would love to explore making you a generous offer. Would you like to schedule an appointment to discuss further? And even you can change it as your likings, or even add different variables that you prefer. So then after that, it's gonna wait for around 2 minutes. And after that 2 minutes, it's also going to send an email, which goes as followed here. Again, it's going to be the same thing. So it's the same email. And then basically that's it. Right after this email, the lead is going to get a call through our premium action of CloserX on Go High Level. So I'm also going to tell you how to add this premium action, which is straightforward connected to CloserX. And you don't have to do any kind of a webhook or URL or JSON body copy and pasting for initiating a call through our software. So you just have to go here in the actions. You search for AI call agent, and here it comes, the action of AI call agent, which is a premium action of ours. You just select it, and boom, here comes the menu for it. So let me just close this one and just give you guys a sample on this one, which is already existing. So you select your campaign. You just select a quick campaign. This is the one that I just created on the video for you guys. Test delete later. You connect your calendar. So the only existing calendar on this account is appointments. I'm just going to select this one. You can also basically send custom fields or custom variables or custom data through these 4 inputs. So let me just say the already existing information which are being sent to our CloserX is going to be the first name, the last name, all of the general information. But if you're going to add more to this, let's say I'm going to add, okay, let's go over to this place. Let's say I'm going to add, go to the contacts, custom fields. Okay, let's say, so basically we have an AI caller summary, which is obviously a custom field. It's nothing built in Go High Level. So let's say I'm going to send this call summary to CloserX. So whenever the call happens, it's going to have a context of what happened on the previous call. So that's just for giving you guys a really simple idea of how this works. And as you can see, the next time you get a call, actually your lead gets called through Go High Level, your CloserX AI agent is going to be aware of this thing in the prompt. Actually, you have to map it out also in the prompt. So that's one thing. So yeah, that's about it for selecting the AI call agent. And then it's going to wait for a condition to happen. So basically, after the call ends on CloserX, there are plenty of things that could happen. So dependent on what happens on the call, so basically if the agent hangs up, if the user hangs up, if it was a positive engagement, if it was a neutral or even negative engagement between the AI and obviously the client on the call. So according to what happened, the contact is going to tagged immediately right after the call ends, and the tag is going to be on go high level. So we have set a condition here. The AI, actually the client, is going to wait here till one of these tags show up. So what is it going to happen? If the tag agent hang up or the tag user hang up shows up here, then here's what's going to happen next. Depending on what happened, which either one of those happened. So for example, you see here, if the tags include user hang up or agent hang up, the client is going to go through this branch, which means it basically means that they're not going to be called anymore. But if none of those conditions are met, then what's going to happen next? The agent is basically, actually the lead is going to go through this other branch and wait for 1 day. So they're going to be called the day after, basically. And it's basically the same thing repeated here. So you just select your campaign, your call, or even you can select a different campaign. So it's just up to you. And yeah, basically that's it. It's going to wait again for the same conditions, but this time it's a little bit different. So you can see that this time we have separated the condition to agent hang up, user hang up, or negative, neutral, or positive tags. Either of these tags, if one of them happens, it's gonna basically act accordingly again. So if the agent hang up or it's a user hang up, or even you can just add another one. Let's say the tags. Let's just get over to tags real quick. Let me find them right here. Okay, you can also define it for yourself. So you can basically say if the tags include negative, agent hang up, or user hang up, then the call is gonna end immediately right after here. But if it's none of those conditions met here, then it's gonna wait an additional 20 hours or even 1 day. It doesn't really matter. It's just up to you how you want to customize your campaigns. And then it's gonna send another nurturing basically SMS. So that's about it. And it's gonna wait again for about 2 minutes. It's gonna send an email. You can also integrate whatever channel you want in between. It could be Instagram, or I don't know, maybe you want to send a LinkedIn post or anything like that. It just depends on you. And let me actually look for LinkedIn if it actually exists. So yeah, unfortunately LinkedIn doesn't exist as a normal action on go high level. But anyways, you can still, for example, search for, you can see it has Facebook stuff. You can do WhatsApp, I believe. Yeah, you can also send WhatsApp messages. So it's just up to you and your creativity and the plan you have for your campaign. It's also going to wait for another 5 minutes, and then again, God, I sound like AI mispronouncing stuff sometimes. So sorry for that. I hope that's funny for you instead of embarrassing for me. Okay, so back to the whole thing. As you can see, it's also another call. Again, same thing is going to happen until we get to somewhere with an actual result. So either the call is going to be ended if they book an appointment, if they show interest. It could be whatever else happening here. So yeah, that's basically about it. And also let me show you real quick the appointment reminder, which works in this way. So if you go to the appointment confirmation plus reminder workflow, you should be able to see that if an appointment is booked on your particular calendar, the tag appointment booked is going to get added to the client. It's going to get removed from the workflow of the call, or you can also customize this yourself, whatever else could happen here. So basically I've created this workflow in a way so whenever someone books an appointment, they're going to get removed from the calling campaign, so they don't get bothered anymore. You're going to receive internal notifications, say someone booked an appointment either through email or SMS channel, doesn't really matter. Also, the client is going to get sent an SMS for confirmation of their appointment. Again, they're going to wait 24 hours before the meeting. They're going to get reminders, again, 1 hour before the meeting. Reminders here also 5 minutes before the meeting, just for the sake of increasing the show up rate. And it's also, again, up to you, customizable fully by your needs. So that's about it, guys. And just to be sure that you guys are aware of this, if you search for CloserX.ai, you should be facing a landing page just like this. And right on the top right corner, you should be able to see the free trial button. If you click on it, you can head over to our software and get yourself a free account. You can also watch this video on how to basically set your AI calling agency in less than 8 minutes, fully white labeled for your own, and actually resell it to your clients as an AI agency. So that's about it, guys. I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. And in the next couple of videos, I'm gonna deep dive into the advanced parts of these workflows and go high level, so you can actually see how these follow-up workflows and autopilot, whatever thing you call it, works. So that's about it. It was Ash here from CloserX again. So thank you for having your time here on the video, and see you in the next one. Peace out for now.